simply we'll apply softly, we'll pump it. So at the moment it's at 12 centimeters. Only the front is moving. Here we go. Just a bit more. We should get to 13 as expected. There we go. Exactly 13. That's the perfect spot. Right in the middle. That's where it needs to be. Right there. So now that the wheel is done, we can focus on the frame. This frame needs to move about 1 centimeter out, because at the moment the latch is reaching here, it needs to reach about halfway, which means this being pushed back. What I'm going to use to put this back in place, I'm going to use this hydraulic body frame repair kit, which will do a good job to put this back in place. I'll show you how I'm going to do it anyway. Let me just first remove the intake cover, because I need more space and I do not have enough. This should help. This engine looks nice and clean, which is always good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the back panel right there and use the stretching point right here. Also, what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to just temporarily remove the latch, just so I can use this as a support. Should be two 10mm bolts, one here and another one right there. Okay, let me just go ahead and remove them. That's one. That's the other one. And this is what I'm doing. One. And the other one. It's right there. And this can just move to the side for now. And now I'm just gonna remove this bolt here, because it's connecting the AC hoses. So I don't want to pull this and somehow snap that. I prefer to move that separately. But yeah, there we go. This one is out as well. Okay, done. Leave this on the side as well. Now they're free, which is good. I don't have to fear the fact that I'm gonna pull one and damage it. Next stage, stretching it. So, different sizes. I just need to gain a little bit of space at the back, so I'm going to use a small one instead. So I had to change the schematics a little bit because I didn't have enough holes to reach what I need. So the plan is to show you what I've done there at the back. So I moved all the wire looming and one of the brake hoses away, just so I've got enough space. This is going straight into the back. Yeah, it's not going to move because I used a bolt point to reinforce it, something similar to that one over there. And now simply we'll apply softly, we'll pump it. And what's gonna happen is that it will extend. It's gonna take a while, but I'll put you here and you can carry on watching me. And all we need is 1 centimeter. No point to go all the way to the back. We need 1 centimeter from where he's standing. So at the moment, it's at 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeter, we need to make it 13 centimeter. Let's go. Getting closer now. Twelve and a half. No stressing, no rushing. Just take your time. It's soft metal, so. And this way I know if I go to the back and measure from the back, one or two things gonna happen. Either the back's gonna move and the front won't move, or the front won't move and the back won't move, or both of them will move. If I use this point here, I know only the front is moving. Here we go. Just a bit more. I'm gonna stretch it to 13 and a half because once I release it, it will drop back a little bit. So at the moment, I'm 13 and a half. Let's just wait a little bit. So I stretched it to 13 and a half because now when I'm gonna release it, hopefully we'll go back to 13. But let's have a look. See what happens. So now as I release the pressure here, this should retract back. We should get to 13 as expected. There we go. Exactly 13. Now you understand why I went a bit further, because I need 1 centimeter there. If I only pull 1 centimeter, eventually, because the tension of the metal will tension back, will go back because of the impact, or one of the impacts. Once I stretch it back, because of different points that are still attached to the chassis, the metal will stretch back, will flex back a little bit. And the only reason why I know about this now is because I watch Fitzee Fabrications. That guy is amazing. You know, at the moment he's rebuilding a car. He's building a car. You need to watch his channel because I cannot explain you what it is. But when it comes to metal work, that guy is superb. It's one of a kind. It's one of those guys that is pure, honest, and the work he does, the metal work he does is impeccable. All done by hand. No expensive tools, nothing. Just amazing old school trades that you cannot learn that on YouTube. You can only learn with experience in life. And he's got it. And inside that tent, the reason as to why there's something inside, it's mainly because of him, because I was even in touch with him in order to get an engine for a certain car that I've got inside that tent. But topic for a different day, but please, watch his channel. The guy is superb. If you think you know about metal, work and welding, you don't until you see him. Like I said, the work he's doing at the moment with one of his cars is literally rebuild a car. He didn't rebuild a car, he's building a car from scratch. And pretty sure he's going to be building another one pretty soon. But I'll put the link in the description. Follow his channel, his Fitzee Fabrications. You won't regret, trust me. Now, let's go back to this pretty devil. So now that I stretched enough the front frame, hopefully I will no longer need this, so I can take it off. This is a very good tool, and to be honest with you, nowadays you can get some for about £100 off eBay, Amazon. They're really good, especially if you're doing body work on a car where you need to stretch a body frame. That is definitely a tool that you must have, because eventually you will need, like right now, I need it. So let me just place you here. Let's see where we're standing at the moment. Let me just go ahead and install the latch, and we'll be able to see where we are. First, the radiator hoses. Yeah, I'm that confident that's going to be in a perfect spot. But let's find out. Okay, that's done. Next, the latch. The two 10mm bolts. That holds it in place. Let's find out. Moment of the truth. Let's see. I'm way confident that's gonna work. It's gonna be in a perfect place, but let's find out together. And that's what we wanted. Right there. That's the perfect spot. Right in the middle. See? That's where it needs to be. Right there. What I'm doing, I'll show you in a second. I'm aligning the latch because the panel is pulling to the left on the right wing. I've seen this before. Let's just say it. And that's perfect. That's what I needed. It was way too close, and it was arching up too much. But now it's where it's supposed to be. Much better. Yeah, it's flush now. Good. Okay, that's it for today. That's all we're gonna have time to do because it's getting a bit darker now. So today was a good day. We had to improvise a little bit. We fixed the latch. We stretched the car as well. The place where it should be. Now it's start looking the way it should look like. I just realized something is missing here, but that's just. Give me a second. I just saw something that I didn't like. Yeah, so today was a good day. We did what we needed to do. We swapped the wishbone. We stretched the car to the place where it was originally before the crash. And yeah, it's getting there finally. So not much left. Sadly, because it's getting dark, I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll just install the bumper. The bumper is already there to see where alignments I need to do in order for all the panels to sit perfectly. But that's it. So we just need the side panel and the front bumper. I'll put both of them tomorrow just to see where about the car is and how much more I need to do in order for all the panels to align. I'll have to fix this as well. I'll see what I can do because yeah, that definitely needs to be fixed before I install anything else. So first will be that, then the side panel, then the front bumper. When I have got all the panels in place, I need to see what else needs to be done because there's been a slightly movement on this hinge here. And yeah, it's too much of a space in here, so I need to tackle that as well. But it's fine, you know, it's getting there finally. Most important is that the wheel, the car is drivable already. Obviously, just needs a bumper, and yeah, that should be it. Now it just needs a little bit of love. in order to get back to his glory. And yeah, I'll fix that too as well. But that's pretty much it, guys, for today. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, I'll try. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care.